Susan. Hi, Joe and Al. I was wondering if IBonds are a good investment as they're currently offering 9.62%. What are the negatives for this type of investment? And upon redemption, what are the tax ramifications?
IBonds.
Well, yeah, what the hell? Put some money in IBonds. They're paying out of their wazoo. I don't know. The depends on what you use the money for. It could be tax-free if you use it for education. The downsides, I mean, you can only put $10,000 in. So
you're limited.
You're limited to what you can put in. There's some liquidity issues. You got to hold it for at least 12 months or something. But yeah, if you have $10,000 that you want to invest in iBonds, 9.62% sounds pretty darn good to me.
So the iBonds, the yield is based upon inflation. So that's why they're so high now.
Yes.
And if you buy it right now, it's locked in, right? For whatever the term is. And what are the terms?
I don't know.
Anyway, whatever the term is.
12 months.
I mean, you have to hold it for that.
Yeah, I think they're almost like a zero coupon bond because
yeah.
we never bought iBonds before because inflation was so low.
Right. It wasn't
even worth it.
Yeah.
But now, yeah, if you have $10,000, by all means. I mean,
yeah.
it's probably locked up for 12 months, I believe. And then if you take it out prior to that, you're not going to receive the interest. You're going to lose the interest.
Yeah. So there's stipulations and there's limits on how much you can invest.
If you need the money, within a year or two, I wouldn't do it. But if you can let it ride for a year or so,
right.
by all means.
Right.
Well, I was going to say just actually the official term on the iBonds, it says they earn interest for 30 years unless you cash them first. You can cash them after 1 year. But if you cash them before 5 years, you lose the previous 3 months of interest. So if you cash it, for example, at 18 months, you get the first 15 months of interest.
There you go.
Okay.
I know it was some stipulation there.
So it's a long term and it's a good rate. So why not? If you don't need the money right now.
Sure.
But on the other hand, it's only 10 grand. And for some people, that's a lot of money. For other people, it's like, not worth the hassle. So it just depends.
It's worth a hassle for 9.6%.
Not if you're a multimillionaire.
Like you, Big Al?
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
There's like if you're Bill Gates.
Oh, like
he would.
If you're Big Al Clopine. I'm not going to mess with that garbage.
It's just not worth the trouble.
Are you prepared for retirement? Schedule a free financial assessment with an experienced financial professional right online at purefinancial.com.